welcome back to my channel, and thanks for joining me on this unboxing. Today I was having a really rough day, but I decided to go ahead and unbox and record for you guys and for myself. And like I do in every other video, start with an affirmation or throw one in there. I take a positive step each day, and the steps add up to miles. So I'm going to try to have the rest of my day reflect with that statement. So let's get into it. Here we have the first plantlet, which is actually a tissue culture. It is the Anthurium Ace of Spades. I have no idea what to do with tissue cultures, but I'll find out. They have a QR code I can scan with the instructions on what to do. Two of the leaves were yellowing, but I guess that's okay. I hear that's typical. The next one I have is a Syngonium ALBO. This one looks really well. And here I'm just tallying up how many plants I got in this box, and it was 5. Oh, by the way, it was from OLN, Orange Lake Nursery. The Anthurium Ace of Spades. Let me see how much those were. That plantlet was actually $35. Hopefully it survives. The full-grown ones or the seedlings are pretty expensive. And I'm trying to be budget-wise with this hobby. Next we have the Philodendron Brazil. It's a plug. So most of these plants are like plugs, and it was $6.99. It's easy to propagate. The Syngonium plantlet was only $9.99. That one looks really promising. I'm kind of confident on that tissue culture. The Anthurium Ace of Spades, I don't know. We'll see. What we're gonna unwrap here is, what is this? Oh, this is a Hoya Crimson Queen. It's a plug, so it's just a small little plant. It was $6.99. I have one more, and this is actually one of my wish list plants, which is fitting that it was last. I'm excited. I really hope that this one does well. It's a little baby seedling. I have a cabinet that I have prepared for it. Just weather stripped it, so I'm ready. Drum roll. And it is a Queen Anthurium. It looks really well. It's teeny tiny. Here goes all my little baby plantlets and seedlings. The ALBO looks really well. The Philodendron Brazil, that's easy to propagate. This is a close-up of the Ace of Spades, which I'm really concerned about, but hopefully it produces something. The Hoya looks good, and there is the Queen in all her glory. As always, remember that life is beautiful. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you all.